Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Kevin and I'm coming from the DELC channel. Today, I'm going to go over 15 words that are commonly mispronounced and guide you on how to pronounce them. So let's not waste any more time and get right to it. Is pronunciation important? Yes, pronunciation is really important because native speakers will view a second language English speaker as having poor competency and fluency in English if there are frequent mispronounced words in his or her speech. This can have serious consequences for your career, your relationships with others, and even your own peace of mind. Let's start with the word time. 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 What time is it? How many times do I have to tell you? Time out. It's not time. The way to pronounce it is by saying Thai, as in Thai people, Thai food, Thailand. Then just add sound. Put it together and you get time. World. 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 The world is your oyster. World peace through inner peace. It's not woe. The way to pronounce it is by pretending it's two syllables when it's actually one syllable. World. Sweet. 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 I'd like to reserve an executive suite. This suite has everything I need. It's not suit. It's pronounced as sweet, like sugar is sweet. Juice, juice, juice. Orange juice, apple juice, grape juice. It's not juice. It's a one-syllable word. Juice. This next word is one of my favorite words to teach because once you learn this word, it will sound completely different. Vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. Cabbage, carrots, and broccoli are some of my favorite vegetables. It's not vegetable. This word has 3 syllables, not 4. Vegetable. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. This chair I'm sitting on is really comfortable. I don't feel comfortable in front of the camera. Although it has 4 syllables, try pronouncing it with 3 syllables. Comfortable. This one's for the Marvel fans. Iron. Iron, iron. Please iron my shirt. Iron is a metal. It's not Iron Man. It's pronounced like I-yearn, iron. I'm a teacher. I'm a good teacher. I'm a handsome teacher. Just kidding. Or am I? It's not am. Just like time, it's I plus I'm. Salmon. 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 I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Bears love eating salmon. It's not salmon. The L is silent. And the M-O-N is pronounced as M-I-N. Salmon. Temple. 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 Thailand has many temples. Please dress appropriately when visiting a temple. It's not tempo. Try saying these words. Dental. dimple, pimple, simple, temple. The ending is not po, but a short version of pull. Temple, salad, salad, salad. I'll have the Caesar salad, please. Salad is healthy. It's not salad, it's salad. There are many salads to choose from. Just take a look at the menu. 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 This menu has so many items. It's not menu, it's menu. Camera, camera, camera. Can you use your camera to take my picture? I hope this camera makes me look good. It's not camera. Although this word has 3 syllables, try pronouncing it as 2 syllables. Camera. After I finish this video, I hope they can edit out all of the imperfections. Edit. 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 Send me your essays. I'll edit them for you. It's not edit, it's edit. The last word for today is ache. 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 I have a toothache. I have a stomach ache. I have a headache. Oh. It's not aish. It's pronounced as A-K-E. Ache. That's all I have for you for today. As Benjamin Franklin once said, tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. You can watch these videos, but the only way to really learn is by using it in your everyday lives. I want to say a big thank you to you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and if you're not already subscribed, click subscribe and click the little bell icon. That way, you can get notified about any new videos that get published. See you next time. Swadee Cup.